Texas families know the value of reliable, compassionate care. At Red Bear Care, we're proud to provide trusted home care in Houston, Texas, designed around what matters most, your peace of mind and your loved one's well-being. Whether you need occasional support or 24-hour home care in Houston, our team is here to help with respect, professionalism, and a personal touch. From mobility assistance in Houston to dementia home care in Houston, every service we offer is guided by the goal of helping clients stay safe and comfortable at home. We provide personal care services in Houston, including help with bathing, grooming, and medication reminders. Our caregivers also offer companion care at home in Houston, providing conversation, company, and support throughout the day. For those who served our country, we're honored to offer specialized veterans home care in Houston. We also provide reliable transportation services in Houston, helping clients get to appointments, run errands, or attend social events safely. At Red Bear Care, senior home care in Houston isn't one size fits all. We listen, we understand, and we build a care plan that reflects your family's unique needs. From home care assistance in Houston to full-time support, we're committed to dependable, quality care you can trust. Houston, Texas deserves a home care team that shows up with heart every time. Reach out today